Hey guys, this is Mr. Goliath, and we're taking a look at the video game uh, check-in. Your account should be created on Scratch or whichever website you're going to use, and you should have started work on the following: the background, sprites, main characters, bosses, basic codes, and movements. So the game isn't playable, you're not close to being done, but clearly work is underway. So let's take a look at some samples. For those of you doing a basic video game, this would be a good sample where the game has a background. Clearly an account has been created. Here's a sprite for the main character. We can see some of the coding. We also can see the coding for the pipes and the ground. So they're well underway for this one. Here's some code for a much more advanced game. Like that is just the code for the ball. The players have pretty extreme codes as well, and you can see they have their background. So this is the game is completed, but you could see the background, the players, they are well underway is where you should be. So we should be able to see your account and see what you've created on Friday. So you can go ahead then and answer the questions for the QOD, and then you can get started. Good luck.